Hey there, fashion lovers. Welcome to our channel Fashion Forward. Today we are talking about every woman's favorite shoe style, stiletto high heels, for sandals to pumps. We shall cover it all. So let's get started. First, let's talk a look at the history of stilettos. Did you know that they have been around since the 1950s? They were first introduced by Italian shoe designer Roger Weaver. Since then, they have become a staple in every woman's shoes wardrobe. Stilettos come in various styles from classic pumps to trendy sandals. You can choose from a range of heel heights, materials, and designs to suit your personal style. Whether you are going to a formal event or just want to elevate your everyday look, stilettos are the perfect choice. But let's be real, stilettos can be intimidating. How do you wear them without looking like you are about to topple over? Do not worry, we have got you covered. Here are some tips on how to style your stilettos like a pro, from pairing them with the right outfit to walking like a runway model. We shall share your expert advice. Wearing stilettos can make you feel confident, sexy, and powerful. They can also help improve your posture and make your legs look longer and toned. But we know that wearing them can be painful at times. So, here are some tips to help you wear them comfortably all day long. From choosing the right size to using foot cushions and arch support, we shall share our secrets. We are talking about the ultimate combination for a stylish and confident look: pantyhose, nylon stockings with stiletto high heels, sandals, and pumps. Let's talk about the benefits of wearing pantyhose with stilettos. They add comfort and sport, prevent blisters and toe cramps, and come in a range of colors and styles to match your outfit. When choosing the right pantyhose to wear them, your stilettos considers the color of your shoes. If you are wearing black stilettos, opt for black or nude pantyhose. If you are wearing colored stilettos, try matching your pantyhose to your shoes or your outfit. Here are some styling tips. Pair your pantyhose with a short skirt or dress to show off your legs. Wear high-waisted pantyhose to elongate your legs, and try sheer pantyhose with sandals or opaque pantyhose with pumps. Common mistakes to avoid: do not wear pantyhose that are too tight or too loose. Avoid holes or runs, and remember to wear a pair of garters or a girdle to keep your pantyhose in place. Pantyhose, nylon stockings with stiletto high heels, sandals, and pumps are a match made in heaven. With the right tips and tricks, you can create a stylish and confident look that's perfect for any occasions. We are diving into the world of stiletto high heels, pumps for women, the ultimate fashion statement that never goes out of style. Stilettos heels are iconic for their slender high and elegant design. They are known for their ability to instantly elevate any outfit, adding a touch of sophistication and glamour. These heels not only enhance your height but also improve your posture, making you stand taller and exude confidence. The elongated of stiletto heels can make your legs appear longer and leaner, creating a flattering and feminine look. Stiletto heels come in a variety of styles, from classic pointed toe pumps to strappy sandals and bold platform heels. Whether you are looking for a timeless black pump or statement color or color to add a pop to your outfit. There's a stiletto heel for every occasion. While stiletto heels are undeniably stylish, it's essential to find a balance between comfort and style. OPT for heels with cushioned insoles, adjustable straps, and the right heel height to ensure you can start your stuff comfortably all day or night. Remember to practice walking in stiletto heels before wearing them out, as they require a different walking technique. Start with lower heel heights and gradually work your way up to higher ones. Also consider using gel inserts or heel grips to prevent discomfort and blisters. Pair your stiletto heels with a sleek pencil skirt for a sophisticated office look, or with skinny jeans for a chic casual outfit. Do not be afraid to mix and match texture and colors to create unique and eye-catching ensembles. Stiletto high heels pumps are more than just shoes. They are a symbol of empowerment, confidence, and style. Embrace your inner fashionista and step into the world of stiletto heels with flair. Thanks for watching everyone. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion content.